Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? It's Cole here, and remember that short clip I said on the last video that if I finish, I will show you guys. Well, I found out another thing that I can vote now. So, /vote. I'm gonna show you guys the beauty of getting that IG. I've already voted the one, so 49. I just need to vote one more time. Then I have the IG. So down in the comments again, ask if you want me to do face cam. I may do it next skyblock episode. I don't know. You guys have to ask. See if you guys want me to. Because I don't really care. I don't know, I'm so quiet. Now here is the moment of truth. Once this thing is done. I'm not a robot, you're messing up the time. Wow. The recaption is making this worse. And boom, there it is. Let's go and check it out. Okay. You've reached 50 votes and gotten Iron Golem Spawner. G. Let's just use that. That was awesome. IS go. IS go. So I'm going to show you guys how it is that it's done now. And gonna show you guys me putting that in. So no, yes, I actually do need a pickaxe. So yeah, I finished it off. The trapdoors are over here. So I think I'll put it right here. Yeah, right here. 3. Second Iron Golem Spawner. 2. Let's do this. Get the hype, get the hype, get the hype. 1. It's been placed. Yes. We need more. We need more. More. We need so much more. I'm gonna drop that so I can just burn in there. I need more. I'm not sure if this was in the last video, but I also got something else. I got another cobble generator. And I remember, I'm pretty sure it was on camera that I got rid of the furnace thing. I liked it this way better. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. It did not work again. Peace out.